Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we are going to be checking out this 205-piece mechanics set from DeWalt. Now, I recently bought this because I am tired of having to pay somebody else to fix my vehicle and other things around the house. So this thing right here allows me to do just so. I haven't really had any issues with it, except for some of these smaller bits right here. They don't like to stay where they are supposed to go. I don't know if I can put anything in there to maybe grip them a little bit better, but that's been my only issue. I've seen some other people do some reviews on these, have the same issues, so seems to be a common thing for the ones right down here. However, everything else stays exactly where it's supposed to be. I've used these already a few times. I've had them for a few weeks. Recently had to change out a headlight in my F-150, and you would think that would be an easy job, but it's not an easy job with these newer vehicles. Have to take apart half the dang front of the vehicle in order to do so. But yeah, overall, I really like everything in here. The limited use that I have had with it, at least. I mean, look, you get tons and tons of stuff in here. Quality stuff from DeWalt. I'm a big DeWalt fan. I know some people are, like, oh, not my thing, but me, I love DeWalt. Pretty much has everything that you could ask for in here, like standard type sizes and stuff at least. It doesn't have like the 0.5 like in between on your millimeters, but I haven't had any issues with being able to find something that will still work in here. I believe it was like a 5.5 that I needed on the truck, but I ended up using like a 7/32, something like that. Still worked really well. But yeah, I mean, you get an assortment of everything in here. Boom, look at that. I like how those are nice and fitted together like that. Pop those back down inside of there. Whole bunch of different bits right here. And then of course, like I said, all your sockets and everything. You got your 3 different sizes right here of ratchets. So small, big, medium, whatever, you are going to be covered. Obviously, I'm just a DIY type guy, not super into tools or a mechanic like that, but I could buy this like I did and make things work and do them on my own and not pay somebody else, because the price that I paid for this was less than the price that it was going to cost to get my headlights changed out in my F-150. So do yourself a favor, invest in something like this, invest in yourself so that you can start taking care of things on your own. I mean, one time took care of it. So moving forward, I could take care of everything. So yeah, go ahead and check this one out from DeWalt.